Okay, looking at number 4 in 15.1, I laid this problem out a little differently than it is on your note sheet, but I think you'll be able to figure it out. What we have are two functions here, f of x and g of x, and it asks us to find some points, and so I'm going to use input values of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 here. There's quite a few little calculations to do, and I'm going to move through them kind of quickly to keep the video shorter, but I think you won't have too much trouble with the calculations here. If you input 0 into this function, you get 3. If you input 0 into this function, you get -5. If you input 1, you get 1 squared plus 3 is 4. And then 1 into this is -4. So you just have to do the calculations here. Then we're going to input 2 in, and you get 7, because you get 2 squared is 4 plus 3. Input 2 here, we get -1. Then input 3 into the f function, and we get 12. And then put 3 into the g function here in this column, we get 9 minus 5 is 4. Okay, and then put 4 in here, we get 19. And put 4 into this function, and we get 16 minus 5 is 11. Okay. Now this last column, I saved it. If you read the problem, part C, so this is part A of the problem. This is part B of the problem, and then this is part C of the problem. What we're going to do here is we're going to add these two values together, because if we look through part C, it says find the sum of these two functions. So we can just sum this column here, and we end up getting 3 plus -5 is -2. Here we get 0. Here we get 6. And then here we're going to get 16. 6, 0, -2. Sorry, my pen was dying a little. And then 19 plus 11 is 30. Okay, so laid out a little bit differently, but I think you'll be able to figure this one out pretty easily. The key is to make sure you use the same input value for A, B, and C of the problem. Okay, thanks.